Hello Rick, how you doing? Victor here. So I just wanted to give you a quick update because I haven't given you updates in a while. So I finally got these units to be on the bench. Your control module is also on the bench. You can see right here, this is your module here. The camera doesn't focus, I know, this is terrible camera. Here's your module. Now, so second thing I wanted to show you is the communication, because you had this issue, like you said, that you could not communicate with the module. So I do have my multiplexer here, and the individual wire directly wired in, and as you can see, here's a little crocodile here, right? So this one connects straight into the multiplexer, and let's see if we can read the module. So first we're gonna check the fault memory, see what's in there, see if it reads. The module reads. So we have the module code, no reception. That's understandable because we don't have other computers. And fuel safety shut-off signal for LH. So that is on the module end. I'm going to clear them later. I don't want to clear them now because throttles are energized at this point. So let's take a look at actual values on throttles, see what module sees in terms of actual values. It takes a while, that's kind of normal. Alright, so let's go back to my baseline. Don't worry about the noise, that's the internal motor, unfortunately. That's how it sounds. This is the old style throttle. This one has plastic gear and different motor with roller bearings, needle bearings rather. This one does not. So that's how it will sound. But you will never hear it because when engine will be running, that will never. I have a car with 30,000 miles, 26,000 miles, sound exactly like this. Mint throttles, but still. Okay, so the readouts, yeah, they might be slightly different because these are two different types of throttles. You have the newer style and the older style. So it's a possibility that the reading could be off just slightly. But that's okay. We're gonna open the throttles, see throttles wide open as much as I can. Usually 1.99. Yep, that's what I usually get, 1.99. The other ones also change reference values, but most importantly here is we have to have all the voltages to change and not to be in some sort of stationary kind of also this throttle body is not even screwed in, as you can see, it's just sitting there. New cables, lubricated gear and all that. So also another thing is, as you can see, a little bit of dust here that I need to trim because the gear is grinding here. So that happens sometimes because, again, seal is not in place yet. But anyway, it doesn't matter in our case. All I need is just to be tested. Okay, so another thing is, let's see if I can do that. This is another connection point. We need to see the idle switch contact right here has 29.3. Let me just undo this, see if the readings will go away. See if the module sees the pedal. Yes, it does. Connecting it back. Okay, went back to on. It has to be on for my bench test, but I just wanted to see if reading itself is visible. So it is. I'm okay with the module and I'm okay with throttles right now. Serviced the motor, cleaned up potentiometer, the same thing here. Potentiometer wires, bolts broke. I had to drill out openings and rethread them. This was quite a job. Only this one survived and the other side survived, but these three, they were like totally frozen. And that's that. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna leave them on the bench. I have to do a couple of other things, and so far so good. I'm going to leave them on the bench to work, to warm up for good measure. You know, just to test them out. It's a good sport for these units. Another thing is, because I serviced the motor, I wanted to break in a little bit before you put it back in the operation. Then I have to open them up again, double check everything, and then I'm gonna plug them into the vehicle, just show you a final test, and we'll be ready to go. So far so good. I don't know why dealer could not communicate with the module. There could be some underlying issues, something else happening on your vehicle, some power issues or whatnot. So that is to be known, because here on my end here I can see the module. As you can see, it reads the voltages change. It's live, you know, I'm making this video live. There are no no pauses or anything like that. It's just as I go. So that's how I like making my videos, just so you can see live results. And yeah, I mean, you know, obviously we're gonna have whatchamacallit, fuel safety shut-off voltage. That's probably gonna be 0, but that's normal. We have no other computers. You see, idle speed increase off. Well, that's because we don't have other modules. We're just using this as a standalone. So we got, it's supposed to be from 7 to 11, I believe, 7 to 11 volts. Other things not really important. All of these things, stop lamp switch, we don't have it. Selector, we don't have it. So we don't have none of that. These for some reason do not work on the bench. I don't know why, and on the vehicle I don't remember, to be honest with you, but nonetheless it is what it is. Fail communication, because again, standalone bench test, fail, because we don't have no other computers but this one on the bench. Cruise control obviously won't read. Engine speed obviously cannot see it. You know, nothing there. But most important for me are the potentiometer voltages, and they show up. Both units energized, they don't shut off. So computer does not see immediate issue with throttles per se. Okay, so this is it for now. I'll do some more testing and I'll keep you posted. Alright, this is Victor, StoryMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.